Hello everyone and welcome to this week's watch list review. If you don't recall, the watch list was made up of inside weeks for Verizon, XOP, WBA, UPS, Zoom, Etsy, Google, and Wayfair. I don't know how any of these did. I know the market was pretty crappy this week, so let's take a look here. Let me get rid of my extended hours. I don't normally have extended hours on, but I wanted to see what happened after the market closed today, so I turned them on. So inside week, we're looking for a break above last week's high of 53.66 with the first target of 53.83. Not a big move, but again, I state that for reasons for moving stops and whatnot, and also looking for resistance points. If you break it down by 60-minute, you can see we actually triggered it on Wednesday, but it pulled right back, so you probably got stopped out. So probably not a good one there. XOP. Let's go to the weekly. XOP, we were looking for a break above last week's high. We did not get it, so this one did not trigger. So that's a no trade. Walgreens, we were looking for a break below last week's low, which was 48.34. We got that. We hit, I believe that's every target. Target 4 was gap fill. Yeah, we hit every target. So we look at the 60. We'll see how it broke down. Go to Monday. So Monday we opened above the trigger. We triggered it and instantly dropped. And Monday we almost hit target 3 before it came back up. And then we hit target 4 today. But, you know, I probably would have been out before the close Monday. In fact, I probably would have been out of most of it here at Target too. And well, maybe that's only a 40, not even 40, about a 40-cent move. But I definitely would have been out of most of it here. UPS, we were looking for a break below last week's low. We got that, and it looks like we took out the first 2 targets, actually almost the 3rd target. So let's take a look at the 60. Go back to Monday. We triggered it Monday, and then we popped right back up. So we barely triggered it, only by 211.72, only by 39 cents. And then we triggered it again here yesterday and took out just about everything, just about most of the targets. Zoom, we're looking for a break below last week's low, which was 137.28. We got that. We hit all targets. Actually, we hit the first 3. We didn't hit the 4th one. There's a 4th target down here we didn't get. So let's take a look. But it's still, I don't know, $10, $15 move, something like that. $12 move. So let's take a look at the 60 on that. And go back to Monday. And we actually triggered this. We triggered it on Wednesday, but popped back up just a little bit, not much. And then we triggered it again yesterday morning, and that's when it took everything out. Etsy. Take a look at the weekly. We were looking for a break below last week's low. We got that. Took out target 1. If we break it down to the 60 here, we actually triggered it yesterday, and if you held it overnight, you hit target 1 today. if you didn't hold overnight, you still had a $2 win here. So Etsy worked out good. Google, I told you guys last week I wouldn't even be watching this if it triggered or not. It did trigger, took out target 1, and yeah, I got about halfway to target 2. Take a look at the 60, and we actually triggered Monday morning right at the open, just barely. And then it stayed above it, and it re-triggered again yesterday afternoon, and then it triggered again today. For me, I wasn't going to play it anyway, but Wayfair, we were looking for a break below last week's low, which was 140.62. We got that. We hit both targets. Take a look at the 60, and we actually triggered it Monday just barely, and then Wednesday's when it really started to hit. We triggered it pretty early Wednesday, took out target 1, bounced back a little bit and took out target 2 today or yesterday. So that's the watch list review for this week. I don't know if I'll be doing another video next week. I'm only getting 10, maybe 15 views on each video. Seems like there's not really anybody too interested in it. I just don't know if I'm going to do it anymore. I'm sure at some point I'll probably get back to doing it. I don't know. I have a lot going on right now. So, the time's kind of, kind of critical. I don't really have a lot of free time right now. And with only a few people, only a handful of people watching it. And out of those 12 or so views each week, probably 2 or 3 of them are mine when I go back and watch it to make sure it's okay to put up before I post it. So, maybe 10 people or 10 views a week, and a couple of those are probably the same people, so there might be 5 to 6 people each week watching it. For the, I don't know, 5 to 6 hours a week I put in, it's not, I don't know that it's really worth it. You guys been watching, you 4 or 5, 6 that have watched these have been watching them long enough to see how I do it and be able to, do it on your own. So, I may continue doing them and just post them on Twitter with no video. I don't know. We'll see. I'm not sure. I'm going to be having surgery here after next week, and won't be at my desk, so I won't be doing any videos and won't be doing any trading for probably at least a week. Might even just take more time off. We'll see. The way the market's been, there's not a lot of point in even trading right now. You got to fight so hard just to make a few percentage points on trades anymore. So might just wait till things calm down. But anyway, thanks for all you guys that watch these videos. I don't know. We'll see if I do any more or not. Depends if I get any feedback on these. Maybe I'll go ahead and keep doing them. But like I said, with only, I'm gonna guess 6 or 7 people watching them, just don't know if it's worth my 4 to 5 hours a week of doing it. So thanks again, and see you guys later. Bye.